To split payments with Klarna Credit Check. Start by understanding what Klarna is and how it works. Klarna is a payment service that allows you to split purchases into manageable installments. When you choose to pay with Klarna, you will be subject to a soft credit check, which does not affect your credit score. First, find a merchant that accepts Klarna payments and select the items you wish to purchase. Proceed to the checkout page and choose Klarna as your payment method. You will be redirected to Klarna's website, where you will be asked to provide some personal and financial information. Next, Klarna will perform a soft credit check to determine your eligibility for their payment plans. This check will not impact your credit score, but it will help Klarna assess your creditworthiness. If you are approved, you will be presented with different payment options, such as paying in 4 interest-free installments or financing your purchase over a longer period. Carefully review the terms and conditions of each payment plan, including the interest rate, repayment schedule, and any fees associated with late payments. Choose the plan that best fits your budget and financial situation. Once you have selected a payment plan, Klarna will provide you with a confirmation of your payment schedule and the amount you need to pay each month. To ensure you never miss a payment, set up automatic payments through Klarna's website or mobile app. You can also track your payment history and balance at any time. If you encounter any issues with your payments, contact Klarna's customer support team for assistance. When using Klarna's credit check feature, it is essential to make timely payments to avoid late fees and negative impacts on your credit score. By following these steps and best practices, you can split payments with Klarna Credit Check and enjoy a convenient and flexible payment experience. Always review the terms and conditions of your payment plan and make informed decisions about your financial obligations.